This unbelievable Galaxy S9 Tab S9 Ultra is back. The same deal. And then I got this one for roughly, I don't know, $180. It was a steal. Same deal, right? So you can get it on Samsung.com, right? Samsung.com. I have the link down here for you if you're interested. It does require a trade-in device, but what they're giving you on that trade-in is an astronomical inflated trade-in deal, and that's how you get the price down, because normally I think it's $1,000. Let's see, what did I get down here? Up to $1,050. Up to $1,050 off. And this is the model I have. 12 gigs of RAM, 512 storage. So yeah, if you're interested, this is a phenomenal tablet. Now it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, but I haven't experienced any lag, anything odd with mine. Again, I don't do gaming, so but if you need a new tablet, possibly a potential laptop replacement, something a little more portable, look into this. Samsung updated, that's what I need to do, a new video. Samsung updated their DeX mode only for the tablets, so not for the phones, just for the tablets. They updated DeX mode to make it more of a, I guess, computer-like experience or software experience, and it's great. I haven't taken it off of DeX, so you can put it in DeX mode while you're using it. You don't have to hook it up to a monitor to put the DeX mode on a monitor. You can run DeX right on this tablet, and it's freaking amazing. So I do need to do a video about that because I'm loving their update they did with it. So if you're interested, links, where are they? Right here. So Amazon's cutting the $200 off the top of the price of this tablet, but that bumps it down to what, $800. But if you really want to get a good deal, click this link right here. It'll get you over $1,000 off on this tablet. And I think, again, I paid $180, something like that, out the door. Boom. I did Best Buy pickup too, so I bought it on Samsung.com, picked it up at Best Buy the same day, and it's badass. So love this thing. Phenomenal tablet.